Scene 1. Intro OpenAI is preparing something much bigger than a simple model update. They are building a completely new market, the AI Agent Store. This is not an app marketplace. It is a marketplace of autonomous AI workers. In this briefing, we'll break down what the Agent Store actually is, why it matters, and how it will reshape global business over the next few years. Let's begin. Scene 2. Overview. What is the AI Agent Store? The Agent Store is a platform where users can access autonomous AI agents that complete tasks on their own. These are not chatbots. They are goal-driven AI systems designed to plan, execute, and finish work. In simple terms, you will be able to buy and use AI agents the same way companies hire human workers. Scene 3. Autonomous task execution. OpenAI agents can complete multi-step tasks without step-by-step instructions. For example, create a marketing report for this quarter. The agent will research data, analyze performance, generate a written report, and suggest improvements. All without supervision. This is not chatbot behavior. This is a true automation engine that handles research, content creation, analysis, and workflow completion. Scene 4. Integration with external services. Agents can connect with APIs, websites, apps, and cloud systems. This means they can manage sales pipelines, customer support, scheduling, product research, and even financial tasks. The key idea: companies will begin using AI as an operational system, a kind of AI OS that coordinates every department. Scene 5. Why the Agent Store matters for companies. The Agent Store becomes a marketplace of ready-to-use AI employees. Companies will simply subscribe to business agents that run their marketing, analytics, reporting, and administrative tasks. The benefits are massive: faster execution, lower costs, 24-hour operation, and fewer human errors. And when a business needs to scale, it can simply add more agents instantly. Scene 6. Global business impact. Once the Agent Store launches, the entire B2B software market will shift. SaaS tools will merge with autonomous agents. Freelancer and contractor work will change. Startups will build businesses entirely around agents, and companies will compete based on how quickly they adopt AI-driven operating systems. This is not a feature update. It is a structural transformation of global business workflows. Scene 7. What businesses should do now. Here are the 3 actions companies must take today. First, map your current workflows. Identify which tasks can be automated by agents. Second, prepare your data. Clean your spreadsheets, CRM systems, and internal documents so agents can understand them. Third, design your automation scenarios. Plan marketing, operations, and customer support workflows that agents can run continuously. This preparation will give you a major competitive advantage. Scene 8. Outro. The AI Agent Store marks the beginning of a new era, an era where AI doesn't just assist. It works, and it will fundamentally reshape how companies operate. If you want more fast and clear briefings on global AI and marketing trends, subscribe and stay ahead. Thank you for watching.